Hello, Advanced LA students. Hope your second snow day in a row is going well. I wanted to again give you some video instructions to help you along with today. Especially you guys, I wanted to give you a specific instructions because your work is going to be a little different from the others today as it was yesterday, but hope that doesn't cause you any confusion. So anyway, here are your specific instructions for your class for today, for Tuesday. It says here, read the last few pages of chapter 2. You don't really need to do that because you guys, I believe you're done with chapter 2 as far as I can remember. So I think you're on chapter 3. What I want you to do is read the rest of chapter 3. I want you to complete study guides for chapters 2 and 3, which you would be, I guess, I don't know how far you are, but make sure you've completed 1, 2, and 3. And I want you to consider the actions of Cherry, Johnny, and Ponyboy as you read. Who do you consider the most admirable at this point in the book? There's things about all the characters right now that might make you think they're admirable. Cherry for standing up and, being herself and talking to these greasers. Johnny for surviving basically an abusive home life. Ponyboy for being kind of who he is and kind of standing up and being associating with Cherry and seeing people for who they are and looking past all these stereotypes that they have in this book. And then think about the conflicts. Person versus person, person versus themselves, person versus society, as you took notes about that yesterday. And be ready to talk about who the conflicts are and between who, among who, and what type of conflicts those are as well. Okay, so there's 3 ways you can read today. Basically, you can listen to the book on audiobook. I have a really good version of it here for you guys. You can just click there and listen to it. I think this narrator does a very good job. You can also do the version here in the audio file. This was recorded by Mrs. Miller a while back, and so she has it in 3 little small video segment or 3 MP4 segments here. You can listen to that. Same thing, just a different narrator if you want to hear someone that's maybe familiar to you in the building. Finally, I'm totally fine with it if you click on the PDF here and read it off the PDF, or if you have a book of your own. A lot of you guys got a copy of the book either from me or parents came and picked one up from the school. You can read chapter 3 that way as well, or you can always click the text and read along while listening to it. That's fine too, but I'm really not concerned how. You can do audiobook if you want. That's fine for this one chapter. I'm not really concerned about it. And then I want you to complete the study guide. Just for review, here's where the study guide is. You go back to your course here, and don't forget it's in the Outsiders unit. I'm going to expect you guys to be able to find it. Advanced study guides and chapters 1 through 5, right? And then you want to click that. It's all sort of together there in one file. You would be on the chapter, make sure you finish up chapter 2 here, and then as well go into chapter 3 and complete those questions as well, okay? That is your work for today. Oh, no, just chapter 3. So that's what I want you to complete, and do your best, okay? I'm expecting great things out of you guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your day working on your independent, flexible instruction day. Hopefully see you back tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.